In this video, I am talking about Yohealth. Yohealth is the work and on platform where you are working on daily and you can earn points and you can withdraw this money in cryptocurrency like FTN token. Then we are going to start this video. Simply download and install this app. And download links are in my description, and this app not available in the Play Store. You have to download from their official website, or you can download from my Telegram channel. So you simply download and open this app. You can simply enter your nickname and your weight, your height, your age, your male or female, your email, and invite code. Enter this this code and you can get. I'm entering this all data in this account, so I'm get permission, and you can see this interface after you log in on your account, and you can see this interface. You can get this point and you can simply withdraw this point in and skip those, and you can simply click this a fast ex exchange. This is exchange name, and you can simply here 90,000 steps you can get 1 FTN, which is price right now is 3.2 euros. That means you have $3 in, or you 3 euros you can get from 90,000 steps. So simply for withdrawing we have this of a fast X account exchange. You can simply download this exchange from your Play Store. Simply download and open this, and you can see this interface. You simply come here and you have to verify your level 1, verified your level 1 KYC verify. Do KYC verify after installing, and you have simply go to this add fund account, add fund, and click, and you have to deposit your crypto, and you have search here FTN, and you can get this, and you have to or other network you can no problem, or you can get BHRC 20 or ERC 20. There no matter which you are copying. I am just copying this and you have to copy your ID, exchange ID. Here I have the exchange ID. Copy this and you have just paste it here. I am showing you. Skip and order there. You have to order, and here is the their order. Click on order and skip this, and you have there is some no info you have to read, or you do that thing. And I have already pasted my account, so I am simply ordering this. My order is successfully done, and I have only 90 and got my 90 and get voucher here. This is detail. This is taking some time, and you can get your balance in this account, this exchange. You have simply do nothing, just work and earn money. This is the very simple way to earn money. You can simply refer your friend and earn money from your counting steps. I have 300 steps in just counted, and this is simply see this. I have just received the amount, and previously I have only one. There is added one and get 2 FTN tokens. This is simple way to earn money. Then thank you.